Hello. So I got this a week ago, I think, and I'm so happy that I have this one. It's really thick, but it's quite small. It's a photo book, sort of. Back in the days, SS501, they made this photo project, and they took a lot of different photos with their cameras, and then they made a photo book with their pictures. So all of these pictures are taken by the members. So yeah, I really wanted this one. I found it on eBay. It was quite expensive, but not as expensive as some other prices that I've seen before. So yeah, I got this for a decent price, I guess. Yeah, so I only got this one, and it comes with a DVD on the back here. I haven't got the time to watch this yet because, yeah, I have another DVD as well, and I just hadn't got the time. So here we have the front. It says Funny Day, Hyun-joong, Violet Perfume, Jung-min, Young-saeng, Never Ending Story, Fresh Energy, Hyun-joong, Shy Guy, Kyu-jong, Eyes. Yeah, so the spine. I really wanted the merch that came with this, but there are like none. And I haven't actually flipped through everything because there are like 500 pages, so it's quite a lot. And one of the best things with this is that it comes with English text and translation. So yeah, I can actually sort of understand what they're trying to say, because the English is not perfect, but it's really it's as good as it can be. Credits and stuff. This will be slightly difficult to show because it's like on the other. It's not horizontal, but it's on the vertical side. So here we have a photo, and this is taken by Hyun-joong, and there's some text by him. So you see it's in Korean, English, and Japanese. So this is for all the international fans. Now the question is, how do I show you guys all this? Look, Songji-ho. So yeah, there are a lot of pages, and some or most of them are really blurry, but that's just because the members aren't pro at taking photos. So there are like many random pictures, but the text says like what happened during that moment. This was such a long time ago. This was around the time when Hyun-joong filmed his We Got Married. So yeah, it was a really long time ago. And also sort of during their A Song Calling for You activities. Yeah, like I said, it takes extra long time to flip this through because I also want to read what these pictures all about. Yeah, look here, Hwangbo. So this is for We Got Married. I really loved the We Got Married episodes back in the days. It was really, really fun to watch. I also, this is a like Hyun-joong's design, necklace design. So it says double S here, and then we have a 5 here, and we have an H here, and this is like this musical note. I forgot what it's called in English, but yeah, it's really pretty. I don't have this necklace though, but you can buy it. So, now he have even more muscles. So, and he's not as skinny, which is really, really nice. Here we have all the members. So obviously someone took it for him, but it's from his camera, so it still counts. Who is this? Oh, it's him. I really like when he wears these beanies like this. It really suits him. I think they're in Japan, or are they? They were traveling a lot to Japan as well. This is Young-saeng. Yeah, Japan. They were traveling a lot to Japan because they had a lot of Japanese promotions as well during this time. Yeah, chopper. So yeah. What is this? Rain. There are a lot of pictures. So each member got 100 pages each. This is Boys Over Flowers. I think, yeah, that was also the time when he started to film, or I guess he got his script for the drama. Now we come to Kyu-jong, Shy Guy, Kyu-jong eyes, and some text. And Kyu-jong is my bias, so this is Young-saeng though. But yeah, so this is horizontal. Wonder if, yeah, he took a lot of horizontal pages, which is really good because now I can flip this more comfortably. Lucky Days promotions and other. And this is a picture of rain. Did he get a sign? No, I like the horizontal ones. They had such long hair back in the days. It was during that period when every guy had longer hair. I mean, it suited them. I really liked it. So, cute. He recently discharged from his military duties, so he's finally back. I can't wait to see him again, active in the entertainment world. I really, really hope it goes well for him now. He decided to enlist the army really early, which is, well, now he's done, and he can just, continue. This is going to be a real long video because I keep talking as well. I could, you know, just flip through it all, but sometimes I feel it's really boring to just see someone flip through everything and then there's no sound but the music. So yeah, who is that? Oh, okay. Wait. Ooh, his family, mother and sister. I don't know how many sisters he has. I don't remember, but I know he has a niece, or it's a nephew. Nephew, sorry. A lot of pictures of Hyun-joong. Anyway, okay, so now we come to Young-saeng's never-ending story. Never. Ha 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 ha. I don't know if they did that on purpose or if it's a typo, but never is also a Korean joke, so I'm slightly confused. Hyun-joong sleeping. He was always sleeping, so tired. And now he's even more active. So I don't know how he even has the time to sleep. Young-saeng. Young-saeng is the only member left in the military. However, the 3 remaining members have yet to enlist the army. And the army thing is like mandatory, so they have to go sooner or later because they're getting, you know, kind of old. So yeah, it will be weird to see them shaving their hair, but that's something you all have to go through with Korean idols. I sort of hope that they would, you know, not have the mandatory thing, because in Sweden we don't have, and it's only those who flowers. It's only those who want to go can go. I mean, yeah. But here's in Korea and many other countries, it's, you know, you have to go. But I know some people don't have to because of some sort of illness. Like if I was a Korean boy, I would not have to go because my eyesight is really, really bad. Who's this? Hyun-joong. No more vertical pictures. Kyu-jong. They've done a lot of things. Huh. Curry rice. Yeah, so the pictures are really, really blurry. I think they got like non-HD pictures. I mean cameras. So cute, baby face. But oh well, you can at least see what it is. I miss the old days. but I really like what they're doing right now. So yeah, like I got over this whole changing companies thing ages ago. I came over it, and now I'm really supportive of their solo activities. I mean, I was at the beginning too, but it was like I was a newborn Triple S fan, and suddenly they were like separating, but fortunately they're still together, though they're in different companies. So I'm just waiting for their future comeback, and honestly they can take their time. I mean, no pressure at all because they're so busy, and it's not like me who can decide when his parents. It's not like I'm the one who can decide when they're supposed to make a comeback. Did we... Oh god, I forgot who this... Did we come to another new... Hum. I thought so. Where does this start? Purple. Yeah, okay, so I totally forgot to say this, but Jung-min's like a purple. So this is all of Jung-min's pictures, and I sort of knew it because there are a lot of his faces. So he likes to take pictures of himself, but that's not wrong. I really want Jung-min's Summer Break album. I haven't heard it, but I'm currently trying to find a way to get it, because once again it's really difficult to get this album. Oh, it's a cake. Ugh, this is getting more difficult to show you guys. Oh, old phones. Now it's all smartphone. But smartphones are really nice. It's like a mini computer. And you can do a lot of things if you have the Wi-Fi. Oh, Hyun-joong. Hyun-joong used to be my bias during the SS501 period at the beginning, but then it kind of swifted to Kyu-jong where they were doing their solo stuff. So yeah, and Jung-min is my second bias. I don't know why, but yeah, when I think back, it's like more reasonable that Kyu-jong is my bias, because I usually go for the types like him. I suppose Hyun-joong's pictures are starting now. Accelerating energy man. Hyun-joong's daily life. And the text. Oh, I remember this. Sesame Street. It was really funny. They made a lot of funny red shoes. These guys are actually really funny. Oh, cute. Dum, bum, bum, bum. God, this video is too long though. Sorry, but that's what's happening if I try to talk while I'm showing you guys stuff. But like I said, I think this is more interesting while I'm talking, though you don't might like me talking. But yeah, I hear someone frying food. It's like nearly 1 p.m. Yeah. Song calling for you. Oh. I really want to stand in a big ocean one day like this. I did get a small opportunity to stand in a small sea of Triple S while during Jung-min's Paris showcase or mini concert, and that was absolutely amazing. Yeah, I really want to go on another concert of theirs, even if it is only for just one member, because they usually sing SS501 songs. And yeah, I really love it when they do that. Oh, please, Hyun-joong. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, this would take a long time for me to flip through, because reading all of the text, I'm a slow reader, though this isn't much text, but still. And that was it. Your photo here. I won't, but and our friends, here is the place for you, for all of you, those who always being with us, and making us more perfectly. So the grammar is, like I said, not top notch, but I can't really complain, because finding English in Korean stuff is sort of like a rarity. Not really, but it's not as common. And the CD, it's like this. How do you take this out? Maybe like this. Here you have it. Making film. So I guess it's like behind the scenes of them making the taking photos and stuff. So yeah, this was the unboxing video or review of the SS501 photo book. I really like this. It's really thick and has a lot of stuff. Yeah, I will stop talking now because, whoa, 24 minutes. I'm so sorry. Anyway, thank you for watching, those who stayed with me to the end. Yeah, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.